Would have been smarter to put the hood up. Should have put the hood up first. And a pretty good boy. Ready? Still do not have power. And head back down the hill here. I had to come up and charge up the phone using the truck charger and make a phone call. Well, I get no service down by my place, so I've got to come up the road a little bit and make the phone call to find out from Nova Scotia Power when they expect it'll be restored. We're alive. We will survive. Right, we're gonna boil water from the snow on the wood stove and boil this snow. Now, we're gonna, well, actually, we'll get the water for the chickens first, but we've got to fill up, it's filling up these bags full of snow. Well, packed snow, basically ice to put in the fridge and the freezer to keep the food from going bad. Because we've been out of power for coming up on close to 2 days and a few hours now. Look at that, just so much weight on there. Oh, that helps. Chickens don't like it. Oh my gosh. Alright, watch out, guys. Would have been smarter to put the hood up. Should have put the hood up first. That's a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun. And boil for some hot chocolate when I return from the walk with Rico. Put this guy on there. Ooh. We'll hike in the woods before it gets dark. We're gonna be looking for fresh tracks. Let's go! Deer track. Looks like a bush chicken. Looks like a bush chicken went through there. And there he is, good boy. Come on, Rico. Good boy. Another treat? Don't worry, you don't have to sit or anything. Ready? Here, come get a treat. All right, let's keep moving. Let's keep going. Come on, Rico. Let's go. Good boy. You can do it. Good boy. Come on, Rico. You want to go back? All right. Rico wants to go home. Rico, you want to go home bad? You want a treat? Do you want a treat? Come get a treat. Here, come get a treat and we'll still go home. Come here, come get a treat. Good boy. Good boy. You're welcome. Rico is from Mexico. He is not a purebred Canadian dog. He'll enjoy by the wood stove when he warms up. Hear Ralph calling from inside. There's Ralphie boy. Boom. That's how much water you get from a pot full of snow. See if we get any more eggs for today. I think Mac. Oh, what are you doing laying on the ground? You're not broody. You're not even laying eggs yet. What is going on around here? No. No egg under you. Oh, I hear you. You sound mad. I know. Did she lay her egg under you? You guys enjoy that? It is time for another cocoa. Got a cocoa. So we're happy. We're warm. We are warm, safe. All the animals are in for the night. Life is good. We can't complain. Got candlelight. Do have a flashlight. Bunch of headlamps. But we are staying put. Roan Dog, what are you doing? Big boy? Here's Sunny Boy, Luna. They say, give me attention. We all want to be on. They all want to be in the YouTube video. Rico's camera shy, but some of these cats like the attention, right? Huh? Hey, buddy? Rico, you tired? Rico is wiped. The hot cocoa made from snow water is actually pretty darn good. Can't complain. No difference. Gotta have the cinnamon on top. Very good. There's Ronan in the bed over there. Luna in front. Cosmo laying there. Rico here next to me. Hey, buddy. There's Millie. Millie up on there. I'll zoom in. There's Millie. There's Ellie. Oh, Sonny's behind there. Behind the wood stove. And, yeah, we are getting a little bit tired, pretty bored. Gonna cook up like a breakfast sandwich, breakfast wrap with eggs. Maybe heat up some chili on the wood stove, because that's all we got. We've got a little bit of Mama's homemade chili. Can't beat it, top notch. We're warming that up. Came out of the freezer and got it thawed out a little bit before we can get it to drop into a pot. All right, me and Ronan got a little bit bored and rangy. We decided to go for a quick little night scout around the back of the property here. Take you guys for a tour out back. Try to keep this flashlight in the way that the camera. Oh, maybe that'll work. So my property is approximately 3¼ acres, but I'm surrounded by, I don't know, thousands or tens of thousands of uninhabited woodland, which pretty much makes me in the middle of nowhere. These are all trees that I've dropped recently in the fall and even a few the other day, but I haven't been able to clean them up yet. In springtime, we're going to clean all this up, make all this beautiful. These are all trees I've dropped. I'm trying to clear my way back here to develop the land. But yeah, here we are in the woods. It is... Can we zoom out a little bit? Oh wow, interesting. Okay, I guess we have to keep like that. But yeah, here we are back in my clearing, where eventually I'd like to put a cabin. I'd like to have a cabin right in around here, I think. Maybe away from those trees. Maybe over in there would be the cabin. Not quite sure yet. We've got to work our way back here. But as you can see, did drop a few trees back when I first moved here to make space back here. But now I'm going to work my way the other way. I have been working my way the other way. See a whole lot of trees down over here. A lot of big, beautiful trees still standing. We're going to leave all them. A lot of absolutely I think, magnificent trees that need to be highlighted and showcased by getting rid of the scraggly, clustered up ones that aren't. They're fighting each other for light. They're all starving for light, and as you can see, they're just not happy. So we're gonna take them down, make the nice trees really happy, and develop this into more flat land. Move a bunch of these big rocks out of the way. I've got to get equipment in here. There's no question about that. We won't be doing all of it by hand, but what I can do for now is clear as much as I can. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of work to do. Looks a lot easier to deal with in the winter time, quite frankly, without the brush growing up. Giant, massive rock wall that once we clear these trees out would look pretty cool. Pop a fort on there or something, right? Big leaner. Those are my cats again. My cats prowl all over here, keeping the rats and mice out of the chicken coop and out of my house. Oh, what do we got here? More, I think, cats jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Big tracks. I've had the bobcat in there about 20 feet away from me. It was just panicking, bouncing right off the walls. I'll show you in daylight the big dents in the chicken wire where it tried to break through, trying to escape away from me. Yeah, just went for the nighttime tour to add to the little video here because getting a little bit. What was that? Getting a little bit bored and stir crazy in the dark with no power, but we will be cooking up we're gonna make a wrap with some scrambled eggs from the hens, fresh out the hen house, and then probably gonna hit the sack because there's not a whole lot to do. Again, I appreciate anyone watching. I can't tell you enough. It's pretty fun to make these little videos, especially when you're cooped up, stranded in the woods, and pretty much I'd probably be talking to my animals and myself anyway. So why not make a video? See if anybody enjoys it. If you enjoy it, let me know in the comment section. Hit a like. And don't forget to give your animals a lot of love and attention. We're going to grab a little bit more firewood while we're out here. These guys are frozen pretty. Oh, here we go. Never mind. We're going to get some wood. Hey, Rico. Hey, Ese. Oh, you've got your sunglasses upside down. My bad. You get the cheese on the stove here. Chili. Just about there. Got some onions going. We get the eggs on there in a minute. Cats in here finishing their big meal. Rico Suave. Cats are almost done their meal. You all done, Babu? Rico's getting into his food. Good boy. Good boy. Eat up. This is not on camera. Oh, that chili is good to go. Those onions are ready for the egg. Is that another flip? Alright guys, we are about to put together our breakfast sandwich. Chili's all good. Actually, we're going to add a little splash of that before I forget. Chili's already hot enough to eat. Really hot. Gonna let that cool down while while we cook the eggs. They won't take long. Save all the eggshells for the compost in the garden. A splash of that. A little bit more. I don't even know. Is that even on camera? There we go. Do I add the tomato into the egg now and cook it together? Which I'm gonna do. But if you tell me if I'm messing up. Also let me know if I messed up big time by cooking the onions and adding the eggs to it. I know a lot of people are very against onion. I did consider eating it raw with the egg, but I figured I'd throw it on there and cook it. I do love cooked onion as well. Get in there. Pick it up. Pepper. Gotta have that pink salt. The Himalayan. Give another quick little onions. Oh yeah, the onions are. I think we have to add more butter. Well, we definitely have to add something. We're gonna olive oil. I think it got too hot. I think I heated the fire up too hot. I don't want those eggs. We don't want to ruin it. Especially not for our first cooking YouTube video. That would be rather embarrassing. More than anything, I don't want to waste eggs. I love eggs. Get in there. Who wants that? Here, Run Dog. You enjoy. Good, good. Good, good. I don't know. I'm just going to have to cut the cheese up and drop the cheese right on there. I think. I'll put the phone down to handle this, so I'll be back. Eggs are done. Oh, tortilla. Tortilla. A little bit of a casualty. We'll just slide it in there. Tortilla ready. A little bit of that on there. Ooh, that is hot. Where'd my oven mitt go? Right over there. Egg. Egg, onion, tomato. I think the milk really fluffed it up. Wow, it's a lot. I don't even know if I can fit it all in. Don't have the cheese grater. It is dirty in the sink, waiting to be washed with running water. We're gonna make do. As long as the cheese melts, I'm happy. Did I choose the right knife? Definitely not. It's okay. That's all right. Get in there. Maybe one more. Because I do love cheese. I love cheese. You know who else loves cheese? Everybody here, right? Who wants a piece of cheese? Rico, you want a piece of cheese? Ready? Ready, Rico? Oh, you missed. Who's that? Cosmo, come here. Cosmo. Here. Ready? Stand up pretty. Stand up pretty. Good boy. Ready? Good boy. Ronan? Ready, catch? Ronan? Oh, bad catch. Luna? Stand up pretty. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, they weren't ready for the cheese. They weren't ready for the cheese tonight. And we need a little bit more hot sauce on there. And I think we are good. I'm going to wrap that up. Eat that with the big pot of chili. Probably eat it right out the pot. Because I've already got a lot of dishes to do when the power finally comes back on. When the power comes on, I feel like I've got a lot of catching up to do around here. But it's been fun. It's been fun with no power. change up the routine. I just tried the chili. It's absolutely incredible. She put chickpeas in it. I've never seen that before, but I like it. Are they chickpeas? Are those chickpeas or a different type of bean? Are they just a white bean? Why are they so round? Let me know. Pretty sure that is a chickpea. And I did fit all the egg on here. And we're going to just cram it together. We're going to get it down. Cosme, you looking for leftovers? You're always hungry. I'm back. I just ate that whole pot of chili and that big, massive breakfast wrap in probably under 2 minutes. Mom, I really appreciate everything you do for me, but that chili was absolutely incredible. Hey guys, we're back. Power is on. 60 hours later. They originally told me 3 hours, but apparently that meant 3 days. Or 2.5 days total. Almost to the minute. 60 hours, no power, but it's back on. Life is good. We survived. Country boy will survive. Country chickens will survive, right guys? Oh yeah, Andy ducks. Anyway, everybody's happy. And let's get that ice out of there for you. I'll get you clean water here in a minute. I'll put the camera down. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. It's been a lot of fun making this little video. I apologize for, I could not film everything. I was having a hard time even keeping the camera over 10%. It just took so long, and it's in the truck to trying to charge up the camera all the time. It just wasn't easy or ideal. But we did our best. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to edit it and upload it. I've got a lot of work to do, catching up on things here now that power's back. But I'm going to try to get this up on YouTube as quick as I can. And I really appreciate you guys watching. And I hope everybody out there that is watching, I hope you have power. I hope you're home and very safe, warm, snug. Take care of your animals. Take care of each other. And that's it.